My presentation on the meaning of human existence was created by Edward O. Wilson, and he's an entomologist that studies different species and insects and the environment. And in this video, he talks a lot about his belief and how his what he thinks that the meaning of human existence is. The paradigm I used for this is the symbolic interactionism, and it's expressed by the meaning of associating with others. Communication plays a large factor in understanding the meaning of people and expressing what they want. The theory I used is the Thomas theorem, and this is drawn through the identity and misconceptions of the consequences presented by them. And then Thomas theorem also connects with the video through the thoughts and beliefs of what other people think of the environment and species. Every person has a different aspect and expectation on what the theory means and how the environment plays a role in the meaning of human existence. And then in my research I found that evolution played a large role in existence, and Edward O. Wilson also mentioned a lot about it. He also stated that we are still considered Paleolithic based on the institutions, and that we're still taught by medieval institutions as well, with godlike technology. Evolution connects with modern life, with the diversity and how life got started all together, and that it relates to different myths that the human population comes together and believes, and that's a misconception right there that just goes back to the thought of the Thomas theorem, and that we still face challenges that aren't fully resolved today, and how we all believe in, different meanings of why we are created. And the religion plays a major focus in the existence. And then he discussed a lot in the book and the video on the development and how it's universally shared with the existence of God. And that many people believe in the faith of God, but he says that we are not fully defined by religion, and that it just identifies with different people, and by having faith or trusting into a group like religion, it plays a superior role in each person's faith. And then part of understanding what it means for human existence is to understand human nature, and that goes into another big role into meaning of human existence. Human nature is, linked to people's health and just the natural environment as a whole, and what each person is created upon. He does lead into climate change as well, because humans play a big part into, the earth and getting things started, and, we change the earth drastically through, nature, ecosystems, and weather. and global warming is affected by water, the wildlife. Um, so, just humans in general is just a big part in getting the world started, and which caught coming off of the idea of climate change and how that takes an important role into the human existence. The knowledge that's gained over time is taken into consideration on the definition of this topic, and the research that is founded can impact everything from faith to the climate change, evolution, human nature. It's all one big definition on the human existence theory. And I think it's surprising to think that people still relate to these medieval philosophy in the century that we're in currently, and I just never realized that because of the modern age we are at currently, and how religion still plays such a large role into our existence in general. So, based on this presentation, that's what I found and got from Edward O. Wilson.